Load your family into the 2017 Lincoln MKX. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Lincoln are offered, including an automatic dimming rearview mirror, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, and cruise control. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.